What if I told you that every single year, millions of people travel to one specific temple in India and willingly shave their heads, giving away their most prized physical possession? They don't do it out of grief. They do it because of a highly advanced spiritual technique to clear massive karmic debts and open the floodgates to their deepest desires. If you have ever seen one of those people donating their hair to Tirupati Balaji temple in Tamil Nadu, India and thought it was just a blind ritual, you're missing out on a profound energetic science behind it. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to share the exact method to make a vow to Lord Balaji, a specific mantra you must chant, and how you can use this ancient technology to fulfill your absolute biggest desires. Welcome back to Dissecting Consciousness. In this channel, we talk all about manifestation, tantra, spirituality and astrology. Today we are dissecting the hidden science behind offering your hair and why is it the ultimate hack for manifesting unimaginable wealth. To understand this science, we have to first understand the code hidden between these ancient texts. According to Vedic history, when Lord Vishnu reincarnated on earth as Lord Venkateshwara or Balaji, he was hit on the head by a cowherd, which caused a deep wound and a loss of hair on that spot. A Gandharva princess named Neela Devi noticed this. Without a second thought, she cut her own beautiful hair and magically placed it on the Lord's head to cover the wound. Lord Balaji was so moved by this extreme act of devotion that he laid down a cosmic law. He declared that whoever visits this temple of Tirupati and sacrifices their hair will receive his ultimate blessings, and that hair is actually received by Neela Devi. But in ancient Vedic sciences, everything operates on the law of exchange. You cannot manifest a massive desire out of the universe without sacrificing something of equal energetic weight. In the modern world, our hair represents our vanity and our physical attachment. By sacrificing the very thing that makes you feel physically attractive, you're paying a massive energetic toll to unlock the highest levels of material gain and desire fulfillment. Now, before we move on to the video, I would like to tell you that if you're also someone who is struggling a lot in their life right now and you want to completely change your reality through the direct application of these ancient sciences, I conduct private one-on-one sessions where we sit down and deeply apply these exact practices to your specific situations. In these sessions, we break through your limitations and complete your mind and make it ready to receive whatever you want. If you're ready to put in the work and make a real shift, send an email to the address in the description with the word session and we'll get started. Now let's get back to the video. In Tantra and Yogic anatomy, your hair acts as an extension of your nervous system. It is an antenna, absorbing and storing energetic imprints, memories and past karma. When people make a vow to Tirupati Balaji, they're demanding a massive manifestation. They want wealth, they want to clear an incurable disease, or they want massive business breakthroughs. But to receive that new frequency, you have to drop the old one. When the razor touches your scalp and the hair falls away, it is an instant physical reset button of your aura. You're actively shedding the dense, heavy energy from your past. More importantly, it is the destruction of your ahamkara, your ego. The universe cannot pour immense blessings into a cup that is already full with its own pride. Shaving your head in front of the deity is the ultimate physical manifestation of surrender. You are looking at the divine and saying, I strip away my physical vanity and I bow my ego down to you. When your ego drops to 0, your manifestation potential shoots to 100. The resistance vanishes. Now, how do you actually use this technology? How do you set the intention to get your desires fulfilled? You do not need to go to the temple to make the wish. You can make the vow right now wherever you are. You sit down in a clean, quiet space, fold your hands and speak directly to Lord Vishnu in the form of Balaji in your mind. You state your exact desire with the absolute clarity of what you want and then you make a vow. Once this desire is fulfilled, I will come to your temple in Tirupati in Tamil Nadu of India and offer my hair to you. But here's the rule. The moment you make that vow, you must start the energetic work to align with it. Every single Thursday, without fail, you must chant the Dwadashakshari mantra, which is the 12-syllable cosmic code of Lord Vishnu, the 12-lettered mantra. Now listen to the mantra very carefully and speak it as I am speaking it. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. I'll repeat it. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. You must chant this mantra every Thursday to keep the energetic channel open between you and the deity. You do this continuously until your wish manifests in the physical reality. But I have to give you a massive warning right now. Do not make this vow if you're not fully prepared to execute it. Do not just casually promise your hair and then forget about it when you get what you want. Lord Balaji governs the cosmic ledger of debt and wealth. If you take the manifestation and default on your energetic payment, the karmic backlash will completely destroy whatever you have built. Only make this vow if you have the ironclad discipline to travel there and fulfill your promise the moment your desire is granted to you. I hope you all liked this video. If you have any problems setting this intention, or if you have any questions about this specific spiritual technology, comment down below and I'll help you out. This is it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep shining, have a great day and take care of yourself. Om Shri Matre Namaha.